changes are now coming to Connecticut's HUSKY A Medicaid program this fall that will impact tens of thousands of people here in the state.
NBC Connecticut City Boyle brings us more on what to expect.
Over 140,000 people in Connecticut were enrolled in the state's HUSKY A Medicaid program in March, according to the Connecticut Health Foundation. But starting October, 15,000 people are expected to lose this coverage.
Anytime someone is losing Medicaid, it's almost certainly going to put some kind of additional hardship on the family.
This is due to new income eligibility changes from the state's 2024 American Rescue Plan Act budget.
It's something that our Medicaid program needed to do to comply with the federal government standards.
The program, which provides health care coverage for low-income parents and caretakers of children, will lower its current income limit, meaning families have to make less money to qualify.
For a family of two, the income limit used to be around $32,000 and it has moved to $28,000 in order for you to be eligible.
The state says the cuts will save it over $2 million next year and $23 million in 2026. Plus, it says there are still options for people impacted.
Many of these parents and caregivers can transition to Covered Connecticut, and it does provide coverage for individuals who are just above the eligibility limit for HUSKY.
But with ARPA funding running out, Covered Connecticut will only extend benefits for 1 year.
We're going to need to have continued pressure on congressional entities at the state and federal level to continue this program. Otherwise, it will expire. And those people that, had lost coverage due to HUSKY will now all of a sudden, be without benefit.
What we always hope is that everyone involved in the decision-making process will take into account that patients going without insurance is bad for public health.
But Donaldson says this is just one part of a larger issue.
We can't ignore that we also have significant health disparities here in our state.
Sydney Boyo, NBC Connecticut News.